Hello, I'm Darren from Miro AI Studio. Need presentation slides but dreading hours of formatting? Create slides in Miro in under 2 minutes using AI. Open a Miro board and click Create Slides. Here is the key to exceptional results. Be specific in your prompt. Instead of create a sales presentation, try create a 10-slide sales deck for a B2B SaaS product featuring problem statement, solution overview, key features, customer testimonials, pricing tiers, and clear call to action. The more detail you provide about structure, content, and audience, the better your starting point. Miro AI generates your slide structure in seconds, complete with layouts, headings, and content suggestions. This gives you a solid foundation instead of staring at blank slides. Need visuals to support your story? Click Sidekicks and choose Image. Describe what you need. Generate an abstract illustration showing seamless team collaboration across time zones with connected nodes and flowing lines. Miro AI creates custom images you can include in the presentation, saving you from stock photo searches or waiting on design resources. Before presenting to stakeholders, get a second opinion. Select your slides and open Sidekicks. Choose a relevant expert like the Agile coaching sidekick and ask, review this presentation for clarity, flow, and persuasiveness. Suggest improvements. The sidekick analyzes the entire deck and provides a doc with actionable feedback on structure, messaging, and impact, helping you refine before it matters. Already have slides you want to build on? Import presentations directly into Miro by dragging your PDF to the board. Once there, click Create Slides. Now you can add existing frames, create new ones, and more. If you want to see a full demo on Miro Slides, check the video linked in the description. That is how you create slides in Miro in under 2 minutes. Try Miro Slides today. Check out our Mastering Miro playlist for more tutorials on how to use Miro. Subscribe for more tips that help you work faster and smarter in Miro.